Good morning. It's another day, another real world test. This time it's not on a phone though. It's on the new Galaxy Watch Active. It ticks. We'll get more into that later. It's Sunday here in Brooklyn. I am going to go meet my father for brunch, which also means that I'll be getting coffee. Really quickly, let's check in on the battery. It is 10:16 in the morning. I took it off at maybe like 8:30, and we are at, I don't know if you can see that at all, 98%. Dad, brunch. We're done here. We're gonna head out in a minute and then I'll keep testing the watch. But at the moment, really quick, let's check in on the battery. It is 11:42 and we are at 94%. Okay, real quick, let's talk about the bezel now, because the Galaxy Watch had like a physical one that you could rotate, but it made the watch a little bit bigger. This one now actually has a software enabled one. So it's kind of just like a touch sensitive area around the outsides. And as you move it, it can let you rotate the bezel and navigate the software. Now, honestly, I like it. I was a little skeptical of like, how well is this gonna work when it's not physical, but it works really well. It has like a good kind of like vibration feedback to it that makes it feel like it's something real. And frankly, because it doesn't have the actual physical bezel, it makes the watch look a lot more minimalistic, which I also kind of like. Real quick, let's check in on the battery. It is 3:14 p.m. and we are at 86%. Right now, I'm actually on my way heading to a studio space to look at for filming. Might have something in the works, but we won't talk about it now. Stay tuned for that. Real quick, I want to talk about a feature that I think is kind of cool on this, and that's that it can use standalone Bluetooth audio to attach to a Bluetooth headset, which is a couple of other watches can also do. But this one lets you use Spotify, which I'm pretty sure no other one does that isn't also a Galaxy Watch. So how that works is you actually can go into your quick actions, and there's one for this Bluetooth like headphone button. You tap that. I'm going to turn airplane mode on the phone, just so we know that there's no connection between it and the watch. Open Spotify on the watch, and you can go into your playlists, and then you can tap on one of them, and either stream over Wi-Fi, or if you have the LTE version of this, then that'll allow you to stream that way. Or if you tap download, it'll actually download all of it to your watch. And then you can play the music from there, and leave your phone at home. So maybe you wanted to go for a quick jog or something like that. It's kind of cool. Okay, want to try something real quick. Let's test out the automatic workout detection. Now, I recently had surgery, so I can't actually go work out. Sorry, but I'm gonna try to very carefully ride a bike, and let's see if it picks that up on its own.
And it worked after I got off the bike. But what I realized is it takes about 10 minutes to recognize that you're doing some type of workout. But once it does recognize, it'll actually retroactively record the bike ride or the run or the whatever else you're doing for the past 10 minutes. So not too bad.
Okay, it is 10:25 at night, and we are at 67%. Now, normally in these videos, right now is probably where I would be like, I'm calling it a night, and we'd have a conclusion, talk about the battery life. But there's a couple of things that I still want to test. First, I would like to see how this thing does at sleep tracking. It's something that I really like about the Galaxy Watches is that they have that kind of built in automatically. So let's wear it to bed tonight, and then in the morning, we'll see how it did. The other thing I want to test is if you do wear it to sleep, means you're not charging it during that time and then you're wearing it all day, can I charge it just while I take a shower and get ready in the morning? Will it give me enough charge to then last another 24 hours until the next shower and getting ready, and so on and so forth? So, good night, and let's find out. Good morning. Okay, so tracked the sleep. Here's what that looks like on the screen. Also, it is 8:54 a.m. and we are at 57%, even while sleep tracking, so not so bad. Now, I'm gonna jump in the shower and get ready, leave this on the charger, and let's see how much battery it gains back. There you go, 20 minutes of getting ready, and we gained about 12% battery. So doing the math, it would have taken me another 45 minutes. So if you get ready for about an hour, or you just feel like leaving it on the charger for an hour while you get ready, then it would have got back to 100%, and you would have started all over again. So not too bad, honestly, and that's on the charger that it came with. It doesn't come with a charging brick, so I just used whatever Samsung quick charging one that I had, one of the latest ones from another phone, and that was that. But there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope it was helpful. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this video, of the watch. If there's a way I can improve these videos, please tell me. I would love to. Otherwise, if you like this video, please thumbs up or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also, check out the rest of the channel. And if you like what you see there, please subscribe and ding the bell next to where subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always, though, regardless, thanks for watching.